Yo, what's up YouTube? My name is August and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I style my hair to look like this. So let's not waste any time and let's get into it. First step, wet your hair. I feel like the wetter your hair is, the more curls you're gonna get, but it will take much longer time to let it air dry. So I like to just dry off a little bit so it isn't dripping wet but still quite wet, as you can see. Now the secret product is this right here. Morocconoil curl cream. This just makes the curls more defined and combats frizz, which is very important when you have curls. I usually use like 1.5 pumps of this. This is what it looks like. Now you just spread it evenly on both your hands, like this. And you're gonna decide how you're gonna part your hair. Personally, when I have shorter hair, I just lay it all down the front like this, and it kind of becomes a fringe. But now that I have a little bit longer hair, I like to mid-part it. Doesn't have to be perfect. And this kind of makes the surfer curtains. Now you just scrunch your hair. Squeeze. Now you just scrunch and squeeze your hair with the product in your hands. All around. Now I like to just push everything a little bit up so the curls kind of stay together and becomes a little bit smaller than if they were all stretched out. And yeah, this is what my hair looks like right now. Now I'm just gonna let it air dry like this. While I let my hair dry, I thought I should tell you a little bit about a tip that has really helped me get a lot of texture and overall actually just healthier hair. And that is no poo or no shampoo. So you just wash your hair with only water. So for the last 7 or 8 months, I think, I've only washed my hair with water and no other products. I know there's a different method where you're allowed to use conditioner, but for me, I've been perfectly fine with just using water. Some of you are probably in shock right now and have a million questions like, does it smell? No, it doesn't smell at all for me, at least. I've never had any problem with it, even in the first month when it's supposed to be the worst. Another question is it oily? And this has also not been a problem for me, and I also have a few other friends who are trying this no poo thing out, and every single one of them didn't experience any oily hair as well. But if you're one of the unlucky ones who does struggle with oily hair, you just have to get past the first 4 to 6 weeks, I think it is. If you actually read about what shampoo does, it rinses all your natural oils out that your hair produces. So when you stop using shampoo, your hair still produces a lot of oil to combat the shampoo. But when the shampoo doesn't rinse it out, it will just build up in your hair, and for some people it would get oily. But as I said, for me and my friends, this was not a problem. It might be maybe the weather here in Norway, or I don't know, but it wasn't a problem for us, at least. The reason I started with no poo was because I hated how my hair looked every time I washed it. It would just blow up and get so frizzy, so like fluffy, and I couldn't keep it down, and it was really annoying to have different hairstyles every day of the week. So here are a few examples of what my hair looked before. And here are a few examples of what my hair looks like now. So as you can see, I've gotten a lot more texture, and I always had kind of wavy hair, but now it's more curly, I would say. And I think it looks so much better. Okay, as you can see, my hair is basically fully dry now, and this is what it looks like. Okay, I'm gonna do a 360 spin for you guys. My hair is getting quite long, so I'm soon gonna cut it, and yes, I cut it myself. So I'm gonna make a tutorial video on how I do it. I have no idea what I'm doing, but it's really simple and it works, so yeah, look out for that. Anyways, make sure to like, subscribe, and if you made it all the way to the end, you're a real one. Thank you. Bye.